Now we've actually created this account with the proxy. The next thing you want to do is to log out of your account. Okay, log out of your account, then off your VPN, off your location, then use your normal location. It can be from Ghana, it can be from Nigeria, it can be for any country. Off your VPN, then log in with that same details to Freecash. Alright, so now you want to register on Freecash and you're actually using a VPN. Should I say it's actually risky? Okay, I'm going to be showing you a way you can actually register on Freecash. Now, many of us have IDs to pass the verification on Freecash. I'm going to be showing you how you can register an account on Freecash and some things you also need to know about Freecash. Now, this is the proxy I'm going to be using for Freecash. This is Super Proxy, and if you actually want to get your proxy, your IPs, you can actually go over to Jonex. I'm going to be leaving the link on the pinned comment section, and you're going to be seeing the link to set up an account on Jonex. I've actually made so many videos explaining how to get connected on Jonex and how you can get your account activated and connected. Now, once you get your proxy from Jonex, you come right here and add it. Now, if you actually want to add a new proxy right here, you're going to be seeing this interface that says proxy. Or let's go back so I can show you. You can actually see add proxy right here. Don't go ahead to buy proxy from Super Proxy. You just come right here to get your proxy connected. Now, you can get your proxy from Jonex like I recommend, because Jonex actually gives you an paved way for many opportunities. Like the proxy I got for $3, I've actually used it for a month. I can't explain that. I actually said that on my community that I was shocked using a $3 proxy for almost a month, because this is actually pay as you go. The more you go ahead using this particular proxy, it's just like data. Okay, so right here I did not do survey for like I think 2 or 4, let me just say a week. Then I got back to my proxy, connected it, and it was working. Now that same proxy is what I'm still using to make this video. Now, if you have actually gotten your proxy from Jonex, like I said, come right here to add proxy, and you're going to be adding the details right here. Now, these are the details that Jonex will be giving to you. I made a video explaining how you can get your proxy from Jonex, and you can actually come over to this particular Super Proxy and add this proxy. So right here, I already added this particular one. I'm going to come right here and click on it. Now, this is it. Once you've added it, you're just going to come right here and click on start. So once you click on start, you can actually see that it has started running. So that is how to get your proxy connected. Now our proxy is connected. Let's go over to our browser and let's dive into Freecash. Okay, but before that, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also share our experience. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch. Now, at the end of this video, if you are not in any of my community, you can actually do well to join. Use the link on the pinned comment section. We have a Telegram channel, we have a WhatsApp channel. Okay, just do well to join. Now, we are going to be logging into our Freecash account. We are going to be creating a Freecash account right here. So you can go to any of your browser and type Freecash. But before that, let's quickly do an IP check. Like I recommend, if you actually want to go into service, make sure you are doing an IP check. This is what we are going to be doing. We are going to come in right here. Let's say WA.net to confirm this proxy, because I recommend you use Jonex proxy, and it's always 100%. It's guaranteed. So you can see right here. Let's actually accept this. So coming right here, you can actually see the disgust is 100. So just go ahead to use the link, sign up using my referral code, so you can be getting discounts whenever you are purchasing your proxy from Jonex. Now, this is my shared experience. So now we've confirmed that our IP is actually perfect, which is the 100 disgust. So let's come right here. I'm not going to be clearing data. Let's come right here. Let's just type Freecash. Okay, remember that this is actually my shared experience, and this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is just my shared experience, trying to explain to you what I've experienced and how I was able to continually enjoying the benefits on Freecash. So when you come into Freecash, you can actually see that get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. Now, this is actually one of the oldest surveys you can actually talk about in today's world. Now, you can see that it's actually user friendly. You can go ahead to set up an account for yourself. If you check my channel, you will see that this is actually one of the best survey that is the oldest surveys on this channel, how I was able to take surveys and how I was able to get straight to the point. Now, if you're actually finding this video helpful, please do well to like at this moment. If you want to get the full explanation on how to take surveys on Freecash, you can go down on this particular video and comment, and I'll be sharing the link so you can see how I was able to take surveys. Now, once you come over to this interface, you're going to be seeing this. So let's accept this. This is what you're going to be seeing, the breakdown of how the platform works and some things you get to understand. Choose an offer, complete the offer, get paid. Okay, now Freecash actually has numerous ways which you can get your rewards on your table. So right here, since you're a new user, just come right here to click on sign up. Okay, so right here you can see the sign up process does not require much from you. Like some platforms require you to add a UK number, a US number, or a PayPal account, as the case may be. So right here, let's say we want to go ahead to create an account for ourselves. So you just come right here and put in your email address and put in your password. Let me say I'm going with this particular one. That is if I've not actually used this email before. So let me use this and see if I've not used this particular email before. Okay, so let me come right here and put in my password. Let me come right here and put in my password. So I'm going to come right here and click on sign up. I think I've used this email before. Let's just go. Let's at Gmail. Okay, I think I've used this email before. You can see this method of signing up for an account. You can also use this method to set up an account for yourself, which you can actually put in your email and it could be sent to you, and you also follow that prompt to set up an account for yourself. So let's try that method right here. So let's come right here and put in this. Let's put in this. The registration of Freecash is not actually taking that long and it's not that stressful. So let's come right here. Let's put in this. Okay, I think this has not been used on this particular survey account. So let's just set all this in place. So I think I'm done. So I'm going to come right here and click on sign up. Okay, I just need to click on sign up since I'm creating an account for myself. So I just need to hold on. So peradventure you try setting up an account this way and you're not getting signed up, come right with sign up with Google. Okay, just follow that process. Come right here and put in your email address. Put in your email address right here. Let's put this right here. So once you're done, click on next. Okay, click on next. So just follow this process. So you can see, come right here, put in your password. Put in your password. I don't know if this is actually correct. Then click on next. Okay, so I think we're actually signing up for an account on Freecash. Now, when you go ahead to try the other means I used earlier, you are going to be having some issues while creating your account on Freecash. That is why I said this is the updated version of Freecash. Anything that I've actually noticed and I've tested, I'm going to be bringing it on this channel. So if you go ahead to use the sign up button on that interface, you're not going to be setting up an account on Freecash. Now, once you set up an account on Freecash, most times you get the pound sign, most times you get the dollar sign. Now, the reason why most of us are getting different signs are because Freecash updated their version. Now, if you actually want to get your account to be in dollar sign, there's a strategy we use, okay? But right now, you can compare pounds to dollar. Dollar is more higher than pounds is more higher than dollar. So if you actually want to get a direct dollar account of Freecash, you can send a message or comment on the video, on this particular video, and I'll be telling you what to do to get that. So right here, we need to fill out our personal details to get some offers and to get some benefits on this platform. So I'm going to be selecting male and I'm going to be proceeding. So my age range, I'm also going to be selecting this. Now, this is your profile, so they can attend to you according to the profile you've actually set while creating your account, because most times surveys attracted to similar profiles on occasions. Okay, so you don't come and do what you feel you want to do and you expect the result. These people are actually looking for a specific amount of people, and a particular amount of people. The interest matters, the what they will actually want matters. So whenever you're setting your profile, let it be that you're setting it to suit what the platform wants. So right here you can see what's your preferred way to cash out. So you can see PayPal, bank transfer, Amazon. There are so many people who have tried the bank transfer and they are getting their funds. Now this bank transfer actually entails you having a foreign bank account. Now to get a foreign bank account is very easy and quite simple, which you can get on Grey. Now you can have a pounds foreign account on Grey. You can also have a dollar foreign account on Grey. So you can come right here and select bank transfer, or you can come right here and select PayPal. So whichever way you want to go. So click on next. So right here you can see, have you made in-app purchase in mobile games? You can come right here and select yes. So right here, on average, how much do you spend on in-app purchase? So it depends on your profile. You can come right here and select that. Now they ask, how often do you play mobile games? Don't say daily. Don't say once a week. You can come right here and say a few times a week. So that is the profile I used and it has been working for me. How much do you want to earn today? Don't be too greedy. You can come right here and select £20. Then you finish this. Now they are also giving welcome bonus on Freecash. You can actually attest to that. Now how much time do you spend to play? So just be moderate. So you click on finish. Perfect. Let's go for 20. So right here you can see that your account has been created. Now you can actually use Proxy, just like what I said at the beginning of this video. Proxy actually gives your account some stats. Okay, it gives your account some stats that you can actually be assured that you're not going to be getting disqualified, or you're not going to be having some bans on your account. Now when you come over to your account, this is what you're going to be seeing, as Freecash has been updated, just like what I said. Now the moment you set up an account of Freecash, you'll be given £0.35, which is actually awesome. Now you can see Call of Dangerous and for Android. This is for Android. And you can come right here and see where it says, now start this offer to unlock more offers. If you don't go ahead to start these offers, you will not be given chances to more offers on your account. Now what do? Most times there's this strategy we use on our account, which I've actually showed some kind of person that have reached out to me via this particular channel. Okay, so once you create an account for yourself, this actually works. It might not work for you. Now we've actually created this account with the proxy. The next thing you want to do is to log out of your account. Okay, log out of your account, then off your VPN, off your location, then use your normal location. It can be from Ghana, it can be from Nigeria, it can be for any country. Off, then come back to the channel and tell me what you observed, and tell me the benefits you've actually started getting on Freecash. Now, Freecash is actually one of the oldest surveys you can actually talk about, which I actually have talked more on it on this channel, and I love taking Freecash offers, because when I started Freecash, I was able to withdraw via Litecoin. I was able to withdraw via I hardly used PayPal when I was using Freecash, because the means of withdrawal was very swift and simple. Now if you're asked of ID on your Freecash, it is actually quite simple. I'm going to be making a very detailed video on how you can start up getting your ID yourself on Freecash. Now this ID works perfectly on Freecash and does not actually work on other service. Now if you want me to make a detailed video explaining how you can get to create these IDs yourself, you can reach out to me, or just better still, drop your comments. So the amount of comments I'm going to be getting on this particular video determines if I'm going to be going ahead to create this video that shows you how to get an ID for Freecash. So that is all you can get from Freecash. Try to use the method I just showed you and try to practicalize what I said. Go over to your account, log out of your account, off your VPN, off your proxy, then log out with your normal location. So this is all what you can get right on Freecash. If you actually want to know more on Freecash, you can see the link on the pinned comment section, the third link, I think. So it will be showing you how to take surveys on Freecash. This particular account does not have surveys because it's in pounds and it has limited offers unless you unlock using this particular feature right here. You can see play to earn, so you can go ahead to play this, but I can guarantee you that you can actually end up with this game. Okay, so that is all you can get, and this is my review and this is my shared experience while using Freecash currently in this year. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section. That is a platform where we share our experience and also give values in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.